How do I challenge an insurance company's repair estimate after a car accident? Start by getting a detailed written estimate from a repair shop. Then compare that estimate to the insurance company's estimate line by line. Look for missing parts, labor, paint materials, calibration work, or damage that was not visible at first. Send a written request asking for a reinspection or supplemental review, and include photos, the shop estimate, and any updated findings if hidden damage appears after repairs begin. Keep in mind that repair costs are often used as proof of your vehicle's damage, but they may not be the only issue if the dispute also involves the car's loss in value. Also, a payment for vehicle damage does not automatically settle an injury claim unless a written release clearly says it does. If the insurance company still refuses to adjust the estimate, stronger documentation may help, and in some cases, people consider small claims court or another court option for the unpaid property damage amount.